Ever dropped a bolt into the deepest, darkest abyss of an engine bay, only to realize your dollar store flashlight just died? I spent 3 hours last weekend fishing for a 10mm socket in the dark, and let me tell you, it was a nightmare. Finding a reliable mechanic flashlight that actually sticks, pivots, and holds a charge is incredibly frustrating. Well, I put the top contenders to the ultimate garage test. Stick around, because the number one spot might just change how you work forever. 5. Energizer Jeep Power. When you hear the name Jeep, you probably think of rugged capability, and, that's exactly the vibe Energizer is trying to channel with this 1000-lumen flashlight. Straight out of the box, you notice the aircraft-grade aluminum construction and the IPX4 water resistance. It feels substantial in the hand, like a tool that can take a real beating on the concrete garage floor. The 4 different light modes give you some decent versatility when you're trying to illuminate a broad area around the shop. But as I started using it under the hood, the reality of its design choices quickly became apparent. It functions entirely as a traditional handheld tactical flashlight, which is honestly its biggest limitation for serious mechanical work. When your hands are covered in grease and you need to hold your tools, trying to balance a heavy cylindrical flashlight in your teeth gets old incredibly fast. It lacks any sort of magnetic base or articulating head, meaning you are entirely dependent on finding a perfectly flat surface to rest it on. I did appreciate the digital power indicator, which takes the guesswork out of your remaining battery life. On the lowest setting, they claim a 30-hour runtime, and it does hold up well for minimal illumination tasks. However, if you actually need that full 1000-lumen blast to inspect deep engine bays, the battery drains much faster than anticipated, leaving you tethered to a charging cable right when you need to be working. The removable clip is somewhat helpful if you want to attach it to your overalls, but it doesn't solve the core issue of hands-free directional illumination. 4. OLIGHT Swivel Pro Max. This is a genuinely chunky piece of equipment built around a high-capacity battery that powers a massive COB module. Firing it up inside a dim garage is basically like turning on a miniature sun. The 1,600-lumen broad beam completely floods the workspace, eliminating harsh shadows and giving you incredible visibility over a wide area. The stand design is incredibly robust, featuring a 150-degree rotation capability and a heavily reinforced clip-style base. You can clip it onto thick shelving units, stand it squarely on the floor, or even mount it directly to a tripod for overhead lighting. The battery life on the lower settings is phenomenally long, and the fast-charging power bank feature makes it a fantastic utility device if you need to juice up your phone during a power outage. However, taking it into the tight confines of an engine bay revealed some significant drawbacks that make it tough to recommend for daily mechanic use. Weighing well over 20 ounces, this light is heavily disproportionate for delicate automotive work. The internal magnets try their best, but because the unit is so heavy, I consistently found it sliding down the underside of the hood the second I bumped it. It takes up a massive amount of physical space, meaning you cannot easily squeeze it down behind a radiator or a firewall. Furthermore, because it primarily functions as a floodlight, it completely lacks a dedicated, tight spotlight beam. When you need to inspect a specific, deeply recessed component like a buried oxygen sensor, the massive wash of light just reflects back off the surrounding metal and blinds you. 3. SLYDE King 2K. The SLYDE King 2K by Nebo is an absolute powerhouse that elegantly solves the problem of needing both a traditional flashlight and a broadwork light. When closed, it operates as an intensely bright 2,000-lumen flashlight with a 4x adjustable zoom. The machined aircraft-grade aluminum body feels perfectly balanced, and the rubberized grip ensures that even if your hands are slick with oil, you maintain a secure hold. The real magic happens when you physically slide the chassis open, instantly revealing a 500-lumen COB work light cleverly hidden inside the barrel. This slide-to-reveal mechanism is incredibly smooth and completely changes the utility of the device in a split second. I was particularly impressed by the dimming functionality paired with its power memory setting. It remembers exactly how bright you had it last time, saving you from cycling through blinding modes. Unlike the previous lights, the SLYDE King actually gets the magnetic base right. The magnet at the tail end is exceptionally strong, securely clinging to the underside of a hood without slowly sliding down the metal. Because you can slide it open to expose the COB light while it is magnetically attached, it acts as a perfect drop light that completely frees up both of your hands for wrenching. It is also fully USB-C rechargeable and boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, meaning you can drop it in a puddle of coolant without a second thought. The addition of steady and flashing red light modes might seem unnecessary at first, but it is brilliant for preserving your night vision or acting as a roadside hazard beacon. 2. Klein Tools 56412. If you know Klein Tools, you know they build equipment for professionals who demand total reliability, and this rechargeable combo light is no exception. Measuring just 5.5 inches long, it is incredibly compact, easily sliding right into a shirt pocket without feeling like a burden. The build quality is phenomenal, featuring an anodized aluminum body that is officially rated for a 6-foot drop onto solid concrete. What makes this light so brilliant for automotive work is the ingenious integration of the side barrel LEDs. You have a very capable 500-lumen primary flashlight coming out the front for pinpoint inspections, but with a quick button press, the side of the barrel illuminates, transforming it into a 375-lumen floodlight. It is the absolute perfect amount of light for close-up tasks, providing crisp visibility without reflecting a blinding glare back into your eyes while you work in cramped wheel wells. The mounting options are where Klein really focused on the end-user experience. The magnetic end cap is ridiculously strong for the size of the light, snapping aggressively onto any metal surface. But they didn't stop there. It also features a built-in stand, a durable hook, and a removable pocket clip. I found myself sticking it to the frame rail, hanging it from a suspension coil, and clipping it to my collar effortlessly during a single brake job. One of my absolute favorite subtle features is the glow ring locator on the bezel, which silently charges while the flashlight is turned on. When you turn the light off and set it down in a dark garage, that glowing ring makes it incredibly easy to find again. With its smart last mode memory, intuitive USB-C charging collar, and exceptional compact versatility, this is a light you will honestly want to carry with you every single day. 1. Streamlight 74850. When you're doing serious, professional-level mechanical work, you need a light that can adapt to impossible angles, and the Switchblade's folding light bar design is nothing short of revolutionary. The ultra-thin blade can effortlessly slip into the narrowest gaps between engine blocks and firewalls, putting intense light exactly where you need it, and then it folds completely in half for protected storage. The lighting technology on this device is genuinely top-tier and unmatched by the competition. On one side of the bar, you have a 500-lumen cool white LED setup that completely saturates your immediate area in bright, clear light. But flip the bar over, and you get access to Streamlight's incredible 90 CRI LEDs featuring color-right technology. This specific mode is designed to render colors perfectly, which is an absolute lifesaver when you're trying to differentiate between faded, grease-covered wires in a complex electrical harness. As if that wasn't enough, the very tip of the light bar houses a dedicated UV LED. If you have ever had to track down a microscopic AC leak, a faint engine oil leak, or a power steering fluid drip using fluorescent dye, you know exactly how crucial a UV light is. Having it seamlessly integrated right into your primary work light means you don't have to go digging for a completely separate diagnostic tool. You just cycle the switch. The overall build quality is exactly what you expect from Streamlight, featuring a high-impact nylon polymer body with a textured grip that feels totally secure even in the greasiest hands. The magnetic base is incredibly stout, allowing you to articulate the folding light bar into virtually any position while it stays firmly planted. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.